people burnt effigies of a mythical demon king Nepal to mark the Gathemangal festival. A number of them belonging to the Newari community gathered to celebrate the festival that is held annually during the Hindu month of Shravan. While the history of its origins varies in different texts, the essence of victory of good over evil remains the same. Have a look.
In the east corner of the Nepal Valley, Bhaktapur town observes this unique festival called Gathemangal, where the effigies of a demon king named Ghanta Karna are burnt by people of the Newari community. The festival is held every year during the monsoon month of Shravan. While people have grown up hearing different stories and their versions, there is one popular belief that Ghanta Karna would mete out atrocities on common people. He would kidnap children and women and would demand ransom. The demon got his name from the bells on his ears, that is Ghanta meaning bell and Karna meaning ears. The most intriguing part of the folklore is when he was teased into entering a swamp by frogs, who were the only creatures during that era that showed some resistance to his barbarity. He drained and died after it became too late for him to return off that swamp. Another aspect of the story also says that he was beaten to death by stones thrown at him by villagers after he got stuck in the swamp. Despite the infection rate reaching alarming levels in the country, only a few days ago, a huge crowd turned up for the event.
अहिले त्यो छाली अब पहिला चाहिँ नर्कस काटेर ल्याउँछ हैन हरियो नर्कस चाहिँ काटेर ल्याउँछ अब अहिले यो नर्कस हुने चाहिँ अब त्यो बारीहरू बगैँचाहरू सबै चाहिँ भाँसेर घर बनायो अब त्यस्तो चाहिँ त्यो नर्कस हामीले यहाँ अहिले यहाँ टोलमा छैन अब अलि त्यो नर्कस लिनलाई चाहिँ टाढा जानुपर्छ हैन त्यहाँ नगइकन आफ्नै साथीहरुको चाहिँ बाँस ल्याएर बाँस टुक्रा गरेर त्यसमा चाहिँ यो छाली बालेर बानेर बनाएको हो अब त्यो मुख चाहिँ बाहिर चाहिँ त्यो कागजको खन्दा गर्नुको मुख छापेर बनाएर ल्यायो अनि भित्र चाहिँ त्यो नाङ्लोमा त्यहाँ त्यो छापा टाँसेर बनाएको
An effigy of Ghanta Karna is erected using hay straws and other decorative items on streets to be burnt later, marking the victory of good over evil. One of the most important festivals of the Newari community, it is believed that it brings good fortunes. This festival is also celebrated as a symbol of cleanliness as the garbage inside and outside the house is cleaned. People say the festival is timed favorably to get rid of the insects that breed during the season.
अब हाम्रो घर खेत आँगनमा चाहिँ सफा गरेर छाली पराल सफा गरेर गाठामगल बनाइन्छ बनाएर चाहिँ हरेक वडामा टोलमा चाहिँ यसरी नै जलाइन्छ अनि यो जलाएपछि चाहिँ एउटा चाहिँ वैज्ञानिक हिसाबले के भने अहिलेको समयमा घाम पानीको अवस्था बर्सातको समयमा लामखुट्टेले अनि विभिन्न कीटाणुहरूले चाहिँ रोग व्याधि ल्याउने अवस्था भएको हुनाले यो गाठामगज जलाएर छाली बालेर पराल बालेर चाहिँ धुवाँ निकालिन्छ धुवाँ निकालिसकेपछि यो लामखुट्टेहरू चाहिँ भाग्छ त्यसैले चाहिँ हरेक वर्ष चाहिँ यो गाठामगज बनाएर चाहिँ बाल्ने चलन छ
For centuries, people from all walks of life in the Newari community have upheld the tradition of this festival. They say such festival symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance.